Excuse me, sir. Today I am going to report reading assessment. One day in my life. 3 years ago, Vanessa Stein and her husband Tom took up the fast food challenge. They bought the franchise for our McDonald's restaurant near land. Early morning is always an effort for me. The alarm goes off at o'clock 6:30 a.m. and then I have 20 minutes thinking time to make some mental lists before I get up. I live by lists. Actually, it is the best way to keep things organized. Recently, I have been arriving at our McDonald's restaurant around 8:30 a.m. I live mastered the computerist account now, so I am training one of our floor manager to help me within administration. Eventually, this should give me more time to get involved in other areas of the business, such as interviewing staff. Our restaurant is in a retail park around 5 miles outside. Let's say we bought the franchise in 1995. We have early expanded the seating, and now we are looking to expand the restaurant itself. We have to conform to the McDonald's standards, quality, service, cleanliness, and value. Of course, but the restaurant is actually our own business. We directly employ some 75 staff, order and pay for suppliers from preferred suppliers, take care of any maintenance of refreshment, arrange local marketing, and so on. Around a quarter of all McDonald's 800 UK restaurants are franchise. Buying these franchises was a big move for us. Tom, my husband, had to do 9 months training before we could even be considered for a franchise. It paid off though, and we are delighted with this place. Is bought. What was the first drive-through in Yorkshire, and the surrounding countryside is truly beautiful. By o'clock 9:30 a.m., I am ready for a bacon and egg muffin and a cup of tea. I will have a quick chat with our regular breakfast customer before opening the post. This bring invoice from supplier, marketing and training information from McDonald's. They run the training courses, but we pay for our staff to attend. Booking for parties of papers and monthly report from the Maestri Dinner. Maestri Dinner make monthly check on every restaurant and drive-through in the country, all except our restaurant for quality and presentation, atmosphere, quality and speed of service, restaurant cleanliness, and so on. Staff are often commended by name, so I pass the news not to on to them and make sure and problems are tackled. We are currently egg in the UK League, which is pretty good. We have an ongoing dialogue with McDonald's. Affiliate consultant visit us every 2 or 3 weeks, and there are regular meetings with other friends to share ideas and experience. Much of my morning is spent updating computer record, tech office queries, training record, payroll edge have to be organized. Staff turn more various, but we can sometimes lose our casual works that they go to university or decide to go traveling. There are McDonald's all over the world now, so their training here rarely can open distant doors. The launching routes start around noon. On the rare coincidence that we are short-staffed, a full session, I will march in and serve customer memories of my waitress. They are university. I live even big now to cook fresh when necessary. As with any small business, one has to be flexible, but I think it is also important to focus your energies where they are most effective. For me, this is behind the census admin work. My own lunch in a salad or chicken switch by this time. My office looks like a bomb sits to the 100 a year. I live usually divide the masses of paperwork into place ready to take them in priority order. I have to head off around 3 p.m. to collect my two sons from school, so I generally end up taking work home. I will finish in in the kitchen listening Google Miller of the Modi Blues, will also supervising the children homework, music parties of or whatever. If I'm doing the end of month figures, I generally have to walk into the early hours. Otherwise, I am in bed any time after o'clock 10 p.m. I always have there or 4 books on the go. Walter Scott or Jane Austen, for example, and usually one on fiction, maybe an autobiography or a political work. I am glad to say Tom Snoring was lectured a while last summer, so now I can look forward to some undressed bed sleep before another busy day at the restaurant. Now I think of it, I used to have craving of McDonald's when I was pregnant. It must have been a premonition. Thank you